Let's have coffee, KJ, because it's so cold here. Ga?
Hindi ko ipapanood yung mga channel para magkakain mo.
Wait na si Mami Jen. Yes, basang-basa na siya.
Basang-basa na yung baba niya.
Basang-basa na ang bakba niya sa baba.
Let's have coffee, KJ.
Okay, you eat that one. Later, I will eat their banana.
I want to be your friend, KJ.
What's happening? It's a banana? Like this. Come on, you can do it.
Sige.
What's your Facebook name?
I want to be
Jen Bardadillo.
the only one. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, KJ. I want you to be my friend. You want?
From what they do in town, we know where this is going.
I have 4 again.
Bonita! Oh, Bonito! Hi!
Hi, amigo.
Hi, amigas! Jen, ti amo!
Thank you, thank you.
Mi amo.
I'm from Bangladesh. Hello, from Toronto, Canada. Hello, Aki!
I'm Taranta.
Please subscribe, Aki! Jerwin Gabel!
Kape tayo, kape. Kape tapos mangga. Mangga tapos kape. Baliktad yun eh. Nauna yung mangga eh. Ano ba?
Hi, Danshen! Daniel! Hi, Danny Boy!
High five!
Please
High
don't forget to
five!
like! Wala, di ba basa pa ba?
Ang ingay-ingay! So noisy! They're so loud!
Si Crispy po rin. Si Crispy oh.
Meron po si Crispy na ako dali oh.
Duha ni ka bukiyahan ko ay? Crispy o crispy fry?
Crispy baki.
Oy, crispy!
Crispy frog.
One hour na takapin.
Palungan na na inyo.
Ayaw sa. Jen, do you have hair on your private part? Yes! The hair is like that, oh!
Buy the hair!
The hair.
Buy the hair!
Like that, the hair is like that, oh!
Ang ingay nila. Promise.
Want to buy?
One hair in the private part is $100.
Patay. Pero ipton man.
Ito!
Puliran man. Puliran, you use puller. Tapos na ako mag... Ah? Kakatry pa lang eh. Oh. Tapos ka na mag-coffee? You're still there. Yes. Thank you for staying, KJ.
Are you interested in private chat on Instagram? If we are going private chat
They're
on
so noisy.
Instagram, you can
That's
give
the girl
us
behind.
$100.
Very noisy. She's very noisy. Oh.
Hi!
Na. She looks like... What's this?
Basa ba?
Uy, mga to, Tijisa?
Sa? Mga to. Yote kung 30. Alas 4 oy.
Ariya to una, nag-anak me. Dire nangatulog mga classmate kay para dungan mi dito, de. Palit mi og pandesal anang gabi daan.
Kay mga pina lang.
Oh, nga piwilaan. Kabuang na ako kay ning kinulong ko lang butangan na ko butangan pan isa ka buok sili. Tuksok ito. May gali kay si Papa ang naka. Og si Mamang to patay ko. well, nagbakwayay me. Tigi kong ilon sa kong kaupon. Wala no, basig si Mamang nakakaon na tumpan patay di ko inig uli.
Madam! Wasa niyo ibang
Face please.
I like Nutella. Be right back. Yeah. Take your time, KJ.
Hi.
Oh, naka-live din yun. Oh, tingnan mo.
Like Django. Yes.
Oh, naka-live lahat yan.
Django. Hi, mahal. Crispy fries.
Oh, oh, naka-live din.
Private